How you doing? I'm Callan and this is Slapped Ham. Today we're looking at some mysterious videos that are leaving viewers baffled. So hit that subscribe button and get ready for more eerie content, just like this. Nottinghamshire residents have long reported strange happenings in a heritage-listed building known as The Village in Mansfield, UK. Unexplained moans and shadowy figures are often said to plague the centuries-old building. Historians say that an old barn once stood on the property many years ago. Prior to the 19th century, it was said to be used as a hideout for monks seeking refuge. One day, the barn was set alight and 7 monks perished in the blaze. Having heard of the tragic history of the property, full-time paranormal investigator Lee Roberts decided to investigate the building for himself. Roberts and his team held a vigil. Using a Ouija board, they attempted to make contact. They even held hands, calling for any spirits to make themselves known. Several team members reported feeling uneasy, but on the whole, nothing too unusual seemed to happen. That was until Roberts checked the CCTV footage from the building. Take a look at what was captured. As you can see, an eerie smoke seems to roll through the room. Roberts has maintained that he's very scientific when it comes to his investigations. He doesn't like jumping to conclusions, but admits this is a very strange sighting. The bizarre event quickly caught on when several UK journalists ran stories featuring the strange CCTV footage. Viewers were quick to link the story of the burning monks with the strange smoke-like substance caught on camera. Some skeptics thought it might be vape or cigarette smoke caught on film. However, due to the Grade 2 heritage status of the building, the venue has a strict no vape or smoking policy. So what do you think's been caught on camera here? Could this strange smoke really be linked to the tragic history of the building? Let me know your thoughts down below. Hey peeps, just a quick interlude to let you know today's episode is sponsored by Raid Shadow Legends. Now it's awesome sponsors like these that allow us to keep making the content that you know and love. Stop, have you played Raid yet? Have you taken down the Demon Lord, crushed the Ice Golem, or ascended the Doom Tower? What about fighting against millions of real players in the intense online PvP arena? Raid Shadow Legends lets you explore millions of champion combinations and master countless tactics as you take on raid bosses, dungeon runs, and campaign battles. There are now over 500 champions to collect, customize, and send into battle. Without a doubt, my favourite part of the game is the online PvP arena battles. Here you can challenge real players and work your way through the ranks of online competition. So what's new with Raid? They've actually just released a champion based off esports superstar Ninja. This super limited edition champion is absolutely free, but hurry, he's only available until October 15th. Once that date passes, this champion will be never available again. So what are you waiting for? Download the game, it's absolutely free. Use my special link in the description box below or scan this QR code right here. And if you're a new player, you'll get 1 free epic hero Chinoru, 200,000 silver, 1 energy refill, 1 XP boost, and 1 ancient shard, so you can get summoning as soon as you're in game. Just look how awesome this character is that they're giving away for free. All your bonus goodies will be available here in the inbox for the next 30 days. The London Underground has been reported to be haunted for many years. With a long and dangerous history, it's no wonder passengers and staff alike have seen and heard things that can't quite be explained. Neil Andrew Pike and his children were returning home from a day out visiting the Science Museum in Kensington. Pike had been filming all day, capturing the afternoon out with family. While waiting for the train at Knightsbridge Tube Station, Pike was filming the dark tunnel, expecting to see the train arrive at any minute. That's when he noticed some movement, but couldn't quite tell what had happened. When he watched the footage back, he was stunned at what he had captured. The video was uploaded to the YouTube channel ZeroFoxFK for all to see. Take a look. It's hard to spot at first, but if you zoom in, there's a dark figure leaping out onto the tracks. To make this sighting even more chilling, Knightsbridge Station has a dark and gruesome past. According to historical data, in 1664 the area was used as a plague pit. Anyone who died at the Knightsbridge Lazar House, which is basically a leprosy quarantine zone, was buried deep underground, right near the current tube station. In fact, the train tracks curve sharply between Knightsbridge and South Kensington stations, just to avoid the old burial grounds. So could the shadowy figure caught on camera by Pike be linked to the old plague pit? This footage was uploaded to the Instagram channel Squatch Me Now, and it seems to show a sighting of an animal that viewers can't quite explain. Take a look at what was caught on film.
Who's that?
As you can see, some kind of animal is lurking among the trees.
Who's that?
It's a large bipedal creature. At one point, it even seems to blink right at the camera.
Who's that?
The camera holder seems genuinely panicked as you can hear him taking some deep breaths.
Who's that?
Unfortunately, the source, date and location of the original clip is unknown, which has led some to speculate that the whole thing's a hoax. However, a lot of viewers were stunned at how realistic the footage looks. The blinking in particular has left many Sasquatch enthusiasts hopeful that this really is a genuine sighting.
Who's that?
So unfortunately, until more details emerge, this strange encounter will have to remain a mystery. A ghost hunting team operating out of Liverpool, England, known as White Hart Paranormal, claim they've captured evidence of the supernatural. In 2017, the group were investigating the infamous St James's Cemetery when they captured some strange activity. They were on the hunt for the spirit of a little girl quite famous to the area, little Grace. Grace is believed to be an 8-year-old girl who died from pneumonia. Legend has it she was from a wealthy family that lived in nearby Cambion Terrace. Grace loved playing among the cemetery, so much so she would brave freezing temperatures and rain just to play among the graves. It's thought that these harsh conditions led to her contracting the deadly condition. Grace's wealthy father was said to be so tight with his money that he refused to pay a doctor to look after his daughter. Sadly, she passed away under frightful conditions. The father was mortified that people might find out about his transgressions and not do business with him, so he told the town that Grace had moved south to live with his sister. In one corner of the graveyard, near a spring, a small stone is etched with the words, "Little Grace." Many believe that the father secretly had Grace buried in this out-of-the-way part of the cemetery to avoid suspicion. For years, locals have reported seeing a little girl playing in the graveyard. When they approach her to ask her where her parents are, she runs away, never to be seen again. Kevin Robertson Hale, the lead investigator from White Hart Paranormal, was in the area when he captured this eerie footage. Take a look.
Go on, Kev.
Can you talk to us, please?
It's there. There.
As you can see, a strange mist or vapour seems to rise right out of the ground.
There?
It wasn't a misty night either, which makes the sighting all the more strange. Then, sometime later, the group managed to capture an EVP from out of nowhere. Take a listen.
Is there anybody here that'd like to speak to us?
It's hard to hear at first, but Kevin believes it says, "Don't tell anyone." If you isolate the sound and increase the volume, it becomes more apparent. It also sounds like, "Don't tell them." Many who have heard the EVP were quick to make a connection with the story of the wealthy father's neglect to the eerie whispering voice. They believe it's the spirit of the father whispering to little Grace, trying to keep his shameful secret quiet. Don't tell them.
Is there anybody here that'd like to speak to us?
And just a reminder, if you've got your own scary photos or videos you'd like to submit to us, head to our brand new Slapped Ham subreddit. There's a link in the description box below. You can also email us at the address that's seen on screen there, submissions@hammedia.net. Does a foul-smelling ghost haunt this old pub in Corsley, Wiltshire, UK? The owners of the White Hart pub believe a spirit resides in the building. A spirit with a distinct musty body odour. Staff and punters alike have reported a strange presence touch and even scratch them unexpectedly. The incidents are said to be followed by an awful smell. In July 2021, CCTV footage seems to have captured evidence of just such a spirit haunting the pub. Take a look. As you can see, the measuring cup slides about all on its own. Owners Adele Gill and Steve Ellis have dubbed the entity Henry and believe it's the spirit of the former landlord. For years, strange, unexplained events have been happening on the premises. Gill said that one time while clearing out the safe, she felt a hand grab her leg. She distinctly remembers feeling a thumb and fingers wrap around her leg and tightly grip. Kitchen staff have seen and heard things too. One morning they discovered a row of dishes, normally kept on the top of the fridge, all neatly lined up on the floor. Eerie, disembodied whispers have been heard and vapour-like substances have been spotted swirling around the pub. Guests sometimes leave in a hurry, only to admit sometime later that they think they saw something moving behind the bar when there was no one else around. And, of course, time and time again, a strange smell is left in the air, distinctly like bad body odour. So could this CCTV footage be proof that a ghost really does haunt this old pub? Take another look and judge for yourself. Before we take a look at some eerie footage captured in an allegedly haunted pub in Wales, remember to hit that subscribe button, then tickle that little bell icon there, and turn on all channel notifications. That way you'll be in the loop every time we drop our scary and mysterious videos. Also, remember to click that upward facing thumb, you thumb clicker. David Langley Evans owns the Thomas Arms Hotel, a 184-year-old pub in Llanelli, Wales. He claims on numerous occasions he's seen a strange white apparition appear on the premises. Now he has CCTV footage that seems to substantiate his claims. Take a look at what the security cameras captured. As you can see, a white, mist-like shape seems to rise directly out of the carpeted floor. It then floats up towards the ceiling. David has worked in the old pub for over 10 years, and in that time he said he's experienced all kinds of strange activity. One night while closing up, David and his wife saw a fishbowl slide the length of the bar and smash on the floor opposite. The couple believe the paranormal activity centers around the cellar, which dates back to around 1830. Staff have reported seeing shadowy figures, and they've heard faint whispers in their ears, and unseen hands seem to grab at them while down in the old cellar. Some skeptics claim that the footage shows nothing more than a bug crawling across the lens of the security camera. David, however, denies these claims, saying it looks too much like the apparition he's seen with his very own eyes. So, given the pub's eerie history, could this footage really show a ghost? Love to get your take on this in the comments section down below.
If you want to see some more mysterious videos, then check out that link on the top there. Otherwise, there's a massive spooky playlist right there that'll keep you entertained for hours and hours. Now remember to check out our awesome tees and hoodies. There's a link in the description box below, or there's a merch shelf just under the video player there. Check them out. And that's it for me. I'll see you all next time.